Hello guys, welcome to a brand new video on tutorials point. In today's video I'm going to teach you some easy steps on how you can enroll into the City National Bank. Before we start the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more such useful tutorials. Without further ado, let's move on to the video. First of all, make sure that you're connected to the internet. After you've made sure that you're connected to the internet, open up a web browser. Now, once the web browser is open up on your screen, type in www.cnb.com and hit enter. Once the home page of the City National Bank opens up on your screen, on the top right corner of your screen you'll see a sign in button. Go ahead and click on it. Once you click on the sign in button, you'll be directed to another page where you will have to fill in some credentials. But for this video, you'll have to scroll down to the bottom of the page where you will see a Enroll Now button. Go ahead and click on it. After you click on the Enroll Now button, you'll be directed to another page. In this page, you'll have to fill in all your credentials correctly and then click on Continue. Once you click on the Continue button, and if you have filled in your credentials correctly, you'll be directed to another page which will further guide you to enroll into the City National Bank. I hope this video helped you to enroll into the City National Bank. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more such useful tutorials. Thank you for watching.